Hola a todos, my name is Eileen from Catalan International. We are standing in El Born in Barcelona, and we have this one-bedroom apartment with 3 floors, including your own private terrace that I'm gonna take you on a tour. So let's start from this private terrace that's fully yours. It's an attico, and as you can see, it's gorgeous, it's huge. You have plenty of space here. You have a lot of nice plants to give you that nature charm. Sun, so Barcelona has a lot of space to sit, host friends, sunbathe here, take all the sun. Also, you have a nice little chair. You can just have your nice morning coffee here. So nice. And right here, you can also dry your clothes, which is really practical. Now let's go to the apartment. Follow me. Here you would have your own washing machine area. And now we're at the apartment. So this would be the second floor. As you follow me, you see that bedroom. Just look at this huge double bed. You would have space for a big bed. You have place to put your clothes. You have beautiful, just windows are the magic of this room. You can sleep under the stars, and you also get a lot of natural lighting, which is great. It's perfect size. You will also have your little ensuite. So right here we have a sink, shower. Let me show you the shower. This is gorgeous. Look at this bohemian style tiles. And right here on our right side, we also have the bathroom. So when you wake up, you can just come do your morning routine. Alright, then moving on. Here you would have a nice little spare area. You can also turn this into a second bedroom if you would like to. You have a nice window to bring natural lights. You can also make it into an office space, for example. And now let's go to the first floor. Follow me. As we come downstairs, you will notice we have this amazing window that also allows the light to travel across the apartment. This door would be the entrance. And now, welcome to the living area and the kitchen. Look at this gorgeous kitchen. It includes everything you will need. A stove, air extractor, oven. Here we have a fridge, freezer, a lot of cabinets for extra storage. This apartment is really nice because it's an open plan. You have a nice sofa here that you can put, and a dining area to turn it into a nice cozy place where you have everything at once. Also, we have this balcony right here to bring more natural light and some fresh air and beautiful streets of El Born. Amazing. Now let me show you the second bathroom. Here we have a door, of course, that you can close so you have privacy. And wow, look at this gorgeous bathroom with this charming shower. You don't see these often. This is beautiful, it's clean. You have this marble effect here, shower, toilet, and this beautiful sink right here, with also a nice window to give you more light. If you are interested, do not hesitate to contact us at info@casamona.com, and maybe this will be your next dream apartment. Bye bye.